Hi, kurumicooks here. This is my latest recipe. It's a Thai-style mango salad. Start by slicing and mincing one garlic clove. Place the minced garlic in a bowl. Next, squeeze the juice from 2 limes. Add the lime juice to the minced garlic. Then add 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. One tablespoon of sunflower oil. And 2 teaspoons of honey. Stir together well. Next, thinly slice up half a red bell pepper. Place the sliced pepper in a large bowl. Cut 10 baby tomatoes into quarters like this. Add to the sliced bell pepper. Next, grate 300 grams peeled carrot into the bowl. Then cut up a mango into slices like this. Add the mango slices to the bowl. Top and tail 100 grams of green beans. Then cut the beans into thirds like this. Blanch the beans in boiling water for 2 minutes. Drain the beans and add to the bowl. Add the Thai-style dressing. Give everything a good stir. Last, garnish with some coriander. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.